Ever wondered how AI could transform your kitchen? Well, it's time to meet your new sous chef, the robot. Companies like Moley Robotics and Samsung are cooking up a storm, developing robotic kitchen assistants that are revolutionizing our culinary experiences. From chopping and frying to stirring and plating, these robotic chefs perform a variety of kitchen tasks with an accuracy that rivals even the most skilled human chefs. And the best part, they don't mind the mundane tasks. Peeling potatoes, scrubbing greasy pans, these are now chores of the past. While we humans can focus on the more enjoyable aspects of cooking, like the joy of sharing a meal with loved ones or the thrill of creating a new recipe, these robotic assistants tirelessly handle the rest. So, let's raise a toast to this exciting fusion of technology and culinary artistry, and imagine a world where peeling potatoes and scrubbing pans are things of the past. Now let's take a look inside your fridge. Seems ordinary, right? Not for long. The future of refrigeration is being revolutionized by artificial intelligence. Imagine a fridge that is smart enough to know when you're running low on groceries and automatically places an order for you. Picture a refrigerator that suggests recipes tailored to your dietary needs based on what it knows you have in stock. And how about a fridge that alerts you when your milk is about to turn sour? No more unpleasant surprises. This is the future of refrigeration we're talking about. It's a future where your fridge becomes an ally in reducing food waste and increasing convenience. It's a future where your fridge is not just a cold storage unit, but a personalized food manager that caters to your nutritional needs and culinary desires. With AI, your fridge becomes more than just a cold storage. It becomes your personalized food manager. But what if you need help with the actual